Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another video, and today I'll be making some French toast using a loaf of crusty white baguette. Now this is going to be a quick and easy video. Here is the list of ingredients that I'll be using. I have 1 loaf of baguette, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon powder, 2 to 4 drops of vanilla extract, as well as syrup. I start off by cutting the baguette into smaller pieces, about 1 inch thick. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 large eggs, about 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and about 2 to 4 drops of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. To a hot pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. While the butter is melting, I'm going to take the slices of baguette and place it into the egg mixture. I'm going to coat both sides of the baguette. After coating both sides of the baguette with the egg mixture, I'm going to allow the excess to drip before placing the baguette into the melted butter. I have the temperature on medium heat, and I'll allow the French toast to get brown on both sides. This takes about 5 to 6 minutes total. Now once the French toast is nice and brown on both sides, I'll remove it and place it on a separate plate, and I'll continue with the other batches. I try to do them in smaller batches just so that the French toast can actually get nice and brown instead of crowding the pan where it will actually steam and just stay soggy. Now that's how quick and easy it is to make some French toast at home. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you've made it to this part of the video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget you can share these videos with your friends and family to help the channel grow. Once again, thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.